Introducing the Deli LI1 Laser Horizontal Angle Rangefinder, your ultimate precision measurement companion. Welcome, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the innovative world of precision measurement with the Deli LI1 Laser Horizontal Angle Rangefinder. Join us as we explore the features, benefits, and practical applications of this cutting-edge device. Unboxing experience. As we open the package, the LI1 presents itself with a sleek design and robust construction. The ABS material ensures durability for long-term use. 2-in-1 measurement ***. The LI1 serves dual purposes: laser projection line angle meter and infrared laser projection line, 2-in-1 measuring instrument. Experience unparalleled versatility in your measurements. LED high-definition screen ***. The double-sided LED high-definition screen provides crystal-clear visibility, ensuring you can read measurements with ease in any lighting condition. Digital precision. The LED digital inclinometer delivers precision with an accuracy of ±0.5. Say goodbye to guesswork and embrace accuracy in your measurements. Versatile applications. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a professional in construction, or an engineer, the LI1 is your go-to tool for vertical and horizontal laser measurements. Smart operation. While the LI1 is not a smart device, its user-friendly interface makes it incredibly easy to operate. No complicated setup, just power it on, and you're ready to measure. Safety first. With CE certification, the LI1 adheres to the highest safety standards, ensuring your peace of mind during operation. Conclusion: the Deli LI1 Laser Horizontal Angle Rangefinder combines precision, versatility, and durability in one compact device. Upgrade your measurement game with the LI1. Don't forget to like this video if you found it informative. Subscribe for more tech